This is the only review I do every week. Not analytics, not dashboards, not 17 metrics. If it takes longer than 10 minutes, the system is broken. First question, what did I actually focus on last week? Not what I intended, what I actually did. Second question, what worked? This forces signal recognition, not emotions. Third question, what should I stop? Subtraction protects energy. Open the sheet, answer the questions, close laptop. That's the CEO review. Thanks for watching.